Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to add text. As example, I will create a rectangle and use pull tools to convert into 3D. The next, if you want to add text in the top of this face, you can go to the tile tab and then click Node Tools. I will click at this point and you can set the names like into Mufasuket. Click Offset to apply. And if you want to convert this text into 3D, you can go to Sketch and we can use this tools project to sketch. You can select the sketch object and the next edge of the 3D object and you can select text objects to project. After it, you can hide the annotated plan and we have this example sketch. Now to convert into 3D, you can use the pull tools. Like I will pull outside and move to the bottom here. And then we can pull again for the number A and also in here. Okay, that's it for a basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.